Welcome to our full guide on how to enable message requests in X. If you want to receive message requests from everyone and expand your network, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the X app on your Android device. Locate the X app icon and tap to open it. Step 2. Tap your profile picture at the top left of the screen. Look for your profile picture, usually located in the top left corner, and give it a tap. Step 3. In the menu that appears, find and tap on Setting and Support. This will take you to the Settings and Support section. Step 4. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Look for this option in the menu and give it a tap. Step 5. Tap on Privacy and Safety. Navigate through the settings until you find the Privacy and Safety option and tap on it. Step 6. Tap on Direct Messages. This will take you to the direct messaging settings. Step 7. Under Allow Message Requests From, tap on Everyone. This will enable you to receive message requests from anyone. By following these simple steps, you can easily enable message requests from everyone in X and expand your connections. Thank you for watching our full guide. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips.